everyone. I am going to the City of Mines for the Lantern Parade, for which I am also participating because the institution I'm connected with, they are going to give handog to the City of Mines, Baguio City. So, see you there. I'm going towards the venue. In a while, mag-start na tayo ng ating Lantern Parade. Alright, can now feel the spirit. Ayan. Dami. Ayan, ka-smiley. Tingnan nyo yung itsura na. We are in Burnham. Okay, so see you in a bit. Wow, ayos, so nice. Maraming kaganapan. So I'm passing by the Swan Lake ng Burnham. Madaming kumukuti-kutita. There you go. Maraming bisita. But that's not my this is not my objective today. I'm going to meet my colleagues for the start of the Lantern Parade. Siyempre. Kapila na kami after. So maraming marshal for the parade kasi mag-i-end dito hanggang sa part dyan. Okay. Oh, pwede na. Okay. Pupunta na ako doon sa taas. Paakyat, paakyat. Going to labas na natin dito is Session Road. Definitely block na yung road. Kaya lakad-lakad tayo. See you right here at Session Road. Ayan, sarado ang daanan. And syempre, they are already, the officials are being recognized na daw. Oh, daming tao.
Before I end, please allow me to recognize
Magandang gabi po. I'm almost there.
Baguio City visitors and guests, to usher us.
There's the stars. And I am perspiring because I walked all the way through.
That's the light.
Ayan. Na if you stay in Baguio City, talagang mag-exert ka. You are going to walk. Lalong-lalo na sa panahon na ito.
Of Baguio and our nation's pride, the University of the Cordilleras Dance Company and the University of Baguio Voices Chorale.
Video, may video. Wow. Ayan ni Tabi. Sino dito ni Sir Mike? Ayan. Halo. Ayan. Kaway. Ayan. Okay. Dami pa rin tao. Inside the Melvin Jones.
Naway-waya.
Smile mga anak! Gayam.
Number 1, Samsis.
Ayaw mong sumali, anak? Sumali ka na.
Samsis number 1, Sonam number 2.
Ganon? Okay. Ayan. We are done with the activity. And pili yung nasa loob kasi kulang yung ating so I use my kasi mahirap na kung ang bombonan. It's so cold, so thank you very much. Hi mga beautiful ladies. Ayan, kumusta? Nasaan si
Ay, kakakain lang namin ma.
May sakit? Lumiwanag yung mundo namin.
Nakalay pala si ma.
Oh, yes.
Kala ko naman picture na post pa.
Okay, Garon?
Yes, ma.
Ayan.
Bye,
See you, bye. Ayan.
See you on Tuesday, ma.
Of course. Oh, Tuesday. Yes. Ayan, video yan ha. Pilik mata, beautiful eyes. Ayan, bye-bye. Diba, I get the chance to use my hoodie. Ginawa ko yan. Okay. I made this myself. Bye. Waiting for a ride and napuno na yung mag-commute sana ako. Napuno na yung matagal pang babalik, so I have to for a reinforcement. Nagpasundo na lang ako kay Danico. Okay, so waiting and salamat naman at may upuan dito sa paradahan.